Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel that is Divine Shiv Shankar Tarot. So today's topic will be, what is your person thinking about you right now? Okay, these are the timeless reading. You can just click it anytime and this might resonate with you, and if it didn't, please don't force it and make it resonate with your situation. Okay, if this the pile didn't resonate with you, please check two other piles. There are two other options, and if those two also didn't resonate, then these readings weren't for you. Okay, so starting with pile number 1 will be this white stone. Okay, pile number 2 will be this tomato, and pile number 3 will be this capsicum. Okay, so choose your pile. Pause the video, meditate upon your piles and choose your video. Okay, so starting with pile number 1, people who chose this white stone, let's see what is your person thinking about you. So these are my handmade cards. Let's see what do they tell about your person. What are they thinking about you? You know you are doing well when you lose the interest of looking back. Okay, they know that you are doing something well. Okay, you are in your own comfort zone. You are doing something which has a lot of interest. They might be feeling that you have no interest in them. They might be feeling that you are losing some interest towards them. Okay, they might be feeling that. And they very well know that you don't live in past. You always you are a very cheerful person who always look life in a positive way, people in a positive way. You don't talk ill about people, and you're always cheerful, happy, smiling. And this person knows a lot. I mean, this person knows a lot things about you, okay, they know you very well in and out. And even though, okay, it is well, okay, they're telling everything is okay with them, and they feel the same for you too. They feel that you are okay in some way. Okay, your only limit is you. Okay, they know that you very well build everything, your career, your life, whatever it is. They know that you are only limit is you. Okay, so may you prosper in all that you do, wherever you turn. No pain, no gain. Okay, they know that you are a person who is a very much hard worker, and they know very well that you take lot of pain, because there is no pain, there is no gain. You know that very well, and this person also knows this, and they always think that you should prosper in all. They always pray to God for you. Okay, lucky people. Interesting. Okay, might be you people are not talking for some, might be there is some distance. Okay, family is not an important thing, it's everything. Okay, this person feels that family is first, and family is important thing, and they love that about you. Okay, people always choose the wrong person first, and then when the right person arrives, they just stop trusting people. Okay, they feel that they are the right person in your life, but you are not ready to take them in, because you have a lot of just a second, there is a lot of negativity around. So just cleaning the air so that this reading doesn't get affected. Okay, so just a second. Okay, this person loves you a lot. This person looks at you like an angel, or whatever it is, god or goddesses. The gender doesn't matter over here. This person is very genuine, and they know that might be there is some past things or past hurts or something going in between you, that you people can't speak together, and this person knows that you are not trusting them. Okay, they feel it very at a very high vibration that you are not trusting them, because they feel that they are very genuine to you, but you are not seeing their worth, okay, or they are not seeing your worth. Okay, so what else? Pile number one, what are they thinking? Beyond the illusions. Okay, they see you beyond the illusion. Participation. Okay, schizophrenia. Okay, they have a lot of fears, coming to you and telling you they want to think beyond the illusion, but they are not able to do so because people are involved, family is involved. I feel that here, and they want a marriage, they want a stable relationship with you, but they think about it and they are always afraid. They are fear of rejection. They are fear of telling you that what if I tell you and you go far away from me. But they don't know that you two are very much in love with them. Okay, how do you see them is what they feel. They feel sorrow, they feel stress, they feel lot of rejection. Might be this person has undergone some lot of rejection. Okay, so they feel that this person, I see them so much, but I don't think so they love me. Okay, but they don't know that you too love them a lot. Okay, this person thinks they want to think beyond the illusion. They want to come to you, they want to tell you that they are, but they are afraid to express the love to you. Okay, why are they afraid to tell you this? What else? Okay, Justice card and the 9 of Cups. Okay, I think this person or you are a karmic. Okay, and this is a relationship which has to be balanced, and there is a wish fulfillment, but someone has to take some steps. Okay, you have to go to this person and tell them that you love them, because they are also waiting upon you. Okay, yeah, beyond the illusion. Okay, so there is a lot of, I think you have to speak up, because it's a Libra energy, and there is a lot of communication gap over here. I feel a lot of communication, and once you communicate, there is a lot of happiness there. There is a lot of happiness resources there. Okay, this person is very much feeling about you. They think about you day and night, and they are sorrow because they can't express their love to you. Okay, why? Yeah, why aren't you expressing, or they aren't expressing their love? Why? Okay, planning is important. They are planning to tell you, or you are planning to tell them. I don't know your situation, but yes, waiting and waiting and waiting. You're waiting that they will tell you, and they are waiting that you will tell, and there is no communication over here. Okay, there is a lot of communication problem going on here. There is no clear talk, there is no clear path. Okay, only thing is they are investing on work, and you are also investing on the work, because this is both energy. I feel over here you indulge yourself in work, and they too indulge themselves through work, and they don't want to think about you, and if they think about you, they feel depressed because they can't tell their, might be it's a karmic situation. You are married, or they are married, or something like this, and there is a third party situation over here, something like this, and you can't tell them. You are just waiting and waiting and waiting. Will this waiting come to an end? Let's see. Will this waiting come to an end? Yes, the Queen of Cups. only when you tell your emotions, only when you express your emotions to this person, this waiting game is going to be ended, because this person, this Queen of Cups, your person may be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay, this female or person is very much intuitive, very soft, very sensitive. They look upon people very in a lovable way, and they don't want to hurt anyone. Only thing is they are waiting upon you to tell them that you love them. Okay, they are waiting for you, they are waiting. Okay, so one person has to take an action, and if you're seeing this video, please go ahead and tell that person that you too care about them, you too love them. And what else? Let's see one more card. Never dull your shine for somebody else. Okay, they are telling you not to dull your shine, because you shine always, no matter what the shit is going on. Sorry to use that word, but yes, you are a person who shouldn't dull your shine for anybody else. Okay, I am worthy of my desires. Okay, you are worthy of your desires. The thing that you desire, you are worthy of more, not this. Okay, so pile one, hope you like this, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment to my channel. So moving on to pile number 3, people who chose tomato. Give me a sec. Okay, pile number 2, people who chose tomatoes. Let's see what are your person thinking about you. What do they? Okay, these all came out. I'm taking it all. Anyone who does anything to help a child in his life is a hero to me. Okay, you're running some organization, an orphanage, or you're feeding some child, or you're giving some education to a child or something like this, and this person likes everything what you do to your child, or you are a mother to a child and you look after them very nice, and that's what they like about you, and they feel that it's a heroic thing you do. Okay, so help missing loved ones in their presence. Okay, most of you, I feel this is a third party situation who are here, and whenever they see you, not only a third party situation in the sense, it doesn't have to be a person. Okay, third party can be a place, it can be anything, it can be communication, it can be anything. That one third thing is hurting you both. Okay, so not only a third party situation doesn't mean a person alone. Okay, it can be anything. It can be that situation, it can be that no communication, it can be the place, the third party as a third party. So these are the third things coming in your life. So you don't have to think that there is someone else. Okay, so they miss you when they see you, they can't talk to you because there is something, might be they have that job, that, or they want to maintain that routine, or sorry, not routine, they want to maintain their level or something like this. Okay, God knows what is there, and they don't want that to show off to everyone that they love you. Okay, they miss you a lot, but and whenever you are in front of them, they miss you like a hell. Okay, they feel like a hell. Okay, love is not only something you feel, it is something you do. Okay, they know that only loving inside doesn't mean anything, but you have to tell it. They know that very well, but they're not able to do that. I don't know why. Always on my mind, forever in my heart. Okay, I think you should go through pile number 1 also, because this resonates with pile number 1 also, because I feel that it's a continuation of pile number 1. Okay, so your prayers don't have to be perfect. God hears your heart. Okay, so your person is praying upon God to make this, relationship happen. My goodness, Lord Ganesha will help you. Wow. Okay, you have the Lord Ganesha, the remover of all the obstacles in this world. No matter what are the obstacles, it can be the person, the situation, whatever it is, but Lord Ganesha is helping you. So I recommend you to please go through pile number 1 also, because I feel it's a continuation of pile number 1. Sorry to say this, but I feel that, yeah, it's a continuation. Okay, so there is a different angle to your life. Observe. Okay, your person is telling there is different life in your life. There is, you might be in a same, okay, routine or same something like that, but they are telling you to observe something because they are the different angle to your life. Okay, so let's see what else pile number 2 person is telling or thinking about you. Okay, the Moon card. Okay, the 3 of Cups. Okay, so they want to invite you for a party or get together or something like that, but they are not able to do this because there is a lot of obstacles. And once you have got the Lord Ganesha card, then you don't have to worry. You don't have to be in illusions thinking whether to tell this person or whether to tell them that you love them or not. Okay, they are coming out of those illusions and they might tell you that they love you. Okay, they want to celebrate with you, they want to be happy with you. They are keeping the secret that they love you. Okay, they love you a lot, because right now they have a lot of things going around them, and people around them are very sneaky people, and they don't want to tell them that they love you. Okay, they are afraid, a bit afraid. Okay, so let me clarify the Moon card for you. Okay, the Hierophant card. Okay, the tradition, the traditional people, the traditional thought, the traditional pattern, or the people in high post or something like this is affecting, or your person is in high post working there, and this if they tell it, and if they release that they love you or something, or they have an interest, it might affect their post or it might affect your life too. So they don't want to do that. Okay, so they don't want to do that. Okay, you are them. What else does this person think about you? Let's see. Okay, politics. Yes, some people are playing politics in your they know very well that people are very smiling, and after that they are like a snake, okay, who is ready to eat your relationship up. They very well know this. Okay, your person know this very well, that there are people around you who are not good. Okay, so you have to take care about that. You have to, and they very well know that people are playing politics around them, so they don't want to tell past lives. Wow, very nice. They very well know that they have a past life with you. They have the connection with you. They want a child with you, or you want a child with them, and they are waiting for you. Okay, and they very well know that people around them are not good for your relationship. So please watch the pile number 1 if you can. Okay, please watch it, because this is a continuation of pile number 1. I feel, I don't know, I didn't say this in any of the videos. I didn't stress of seeing those pile number 1, or I never stressed too much. I don't know why I'm telling this today, but please watch pile number 1 and then come to pile number 2, because there is a lot of link over here, I feel. Okay, so pile number 2, these were your reading. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel, that is Divine Shiv. So moving on to pile number 3, people who chose capsicum. Okay, so the candle got, just a second, people. I'm so sorry, this candle got. Okay, pile number 3. Let's see what your person is thinking about you right now. I'm just feeling that your person is not passionate about you, okay? So too much of cards. My goodness, you have got the cards of Kundalini. Okay, Vishuddha, the throat chakra, the crown chakra, and the solar plex. Okay, my goodness. They think they want to speak to you. They want to, tell that they think a lot about you. They want to, spend time with you. They are very passionate people, though I told you, because the solar plex over here, they are very, they feel that there is a lot of, desire. There is a lot of, to talk to you. They want to do it, okay? They want to do it for your sake. They want to tell you that they love you a lot. The throat chakra, the crown chakra, the crown chakra over here, they think a lot about you. They feel that you are their inspiration. You are their knowledge and everything connected to spirituality. You inspire them a lot, okay? Pile number 3, you inspire this person a lot because they feel always, you are always in this person's mind and, body, soul, everything, okay? They very much love your sound, your voice, your throat chakra, and they always want to speak to you, but they feel rejected to talk to you. They don't have the clear communication, but you are a very honest person. You are clear in your communication. That's what they see you as, okay? You are very much, my goodness, this card, these two pile number 1 and 2 never got these cards, okay? Never got these cards. So let's see more. What does this person think about you? All the 3 piles were fabulous, okay? Okay, so let's see. Quick, too much cards. 2 hearts in love need no words, okay? They feel that they love you and they don't have to tell it to you because words go small, okay? And words are very less for them to tell you, and they don't have to because they express it every day with their eyes, with their mind blowing mind. My goodness, this pile is too good. And when I love you, I realized I have never truly loved anyone. I realized I never truly loved anyone the way I love you, okay? Might be they have been in a relationship with others also, but they never felt this relationship with you is, a unique relationship. They never felt that sort of relationship with any other people. I love dreaming because in my dream you are actually mine. My goodness, they always dream because the crown chakra over here, they always think about you. They feel you, if they feel you near, and because in dreams actually you are theirs, okay? I love you not only for what you are but for what I am when I am with you, okay? Yeah, I told you in the beginning of the reading that you inspire them a lot, and that's what they love in you. Everything has beauty, but everyone can't see it, no matter how you are, but they see the inner beauty in you, okay? No matter how you are, no matter what is going on in your life, they don't damn care about it because they know that you are a pure person. Waiting is a sign of a true love and patience. Anyone can say I love you, but not everyone can wait and prove it's true, okay? This person who is waiting upon you because it's a true love they are doing to you, towards you, and they are waiting upon you. I'm sending you healing energy right now for every area of your life. My goodness, this person is very psychic. They are very intuitive people. They know a lot of healing process from which they know they might be feeling, or you are in a situation where you are not feeling good right now, but they are sending you healing energies. Stay away from negative situation, people, or anything that makes you low, okay? I told you that you are not in a good situation, and this card came out, okay? They feel that there are people, there are situations which are making you low because they are negative to you, okay? This person takes care of you a lot. Take care of your health and others too. My goodness, this person loves you a lot and they are telling you to take care. Okay, So what else for pile number 3? A lot of cards for you. The Swords card, the Thunderbolt, and the Consciousness. This person is telling that don't worry, everything is going to be okay. No matter what the situation is, I am coming to you, and stay strong. Okay, they're telling you to stay strong because they are not leaving you in any of the situation. Okay, so what else? Okay, you are an empress to them, you are very psychic, and you will come out of the illusions. Okay, there are people, okay, the card there, stay away from negative people, the Moon card, the illusion card, because you are an empress, you will come out of it. Okay, empress doesn't mean that you have to be a female over there. Okay, gender doesn't matter. Okay, here, and that's what I feel here. This person is very damn optimistic about you and your relationship with them. Okay, nothing can change them. Okay, nobody can change their thoughts for you. Nobody. Okay, pile number 3, this is where you're reading. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and support my channel. And there is, in the description box, there will be a WhatsApp number. If you want a personal reading, please contact me there. Okay, so messages only and no calls. Okay, please bear with me. So namaste.